तो हमें कंटिन्यू करियो हमें कंटिन्यू करियो लिस्ट काउंट एरर एनालिसिस पार्ट 3 लिस्ट काउंट एरर सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड एंड फाइंडिंग एरर इन टाइम पीरियड बाय नोइंग नंबर ऑफ ऑसिलेशन बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जोटा कि जेई नीट रे पचार सो गुडा डिस्कस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग यू डेफिनेटली एंजॉय सो ता पूर्व अगेन रिकैप कर दूची that is finding relative error already तमे relative error पाइछो but shortcut जल्दी जल्दी करिवो तुम जदी कोहाला गोटे देथिबो x a plus or minus del a y b plus or minus del b these are two values so relative error in x plus y what is what in x minus y in simple rules in x into y simple x by y पिला बहुत कंफ्यूजन होय ने कोनती सेदिबे म एटा बारंबार कहूची x plus y देखियो कोन फर्स्ट वन x plus y माने रिलेटिव एरर मींस del x plus del y आर पूरा एब्सोल्यूट एरर बाय एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू सो दिस इज व्हाट एक्चुअली इनो लिखिले del x is equal to del a del b by x plus y बराबर इको एमती कहले एक्चुअली these are the values था del of x plus y which कहले x plus y is a quantity but these are the magnitudes so magnitude ता right hand side रे then the two रे जदी लिखिबा को del of x minus y परचेज x minus y रहला by x minus y परचेज so इतो मो a plus b लिखबी r quantity ता देखो तो करिए कोन एरर ऑफ x minus y कोन हबा del a प्रथम एरर द्वितीय एरर del b प्लस रखबी ना माइनस रखबी अगेन प्लस यस and तळे x minus y this is nothing a minus b as usual हां ये ला डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय टिका अलगा what is that del of xy by xy del of xy माने error in xy तो एटे कोन करिया प्रोडक्ट अछि तो del a by a x रे error del b by b plus all are maximum and fourth one del of x by y by x by y so it is del a by a y by अछि तो कथा तभी प्लस del b by जहां ले एटा देखियो दरकार है रिलेटिव है x square 1 y square -1 be plus clear no doubt हम किसी क्वेश्चन करें like let a resistance of wire resistance of two wires resistive wires are given as R1 is equal to let us suppose 4 plus or minus 0.5 ohm and R2 is equal to 12 plus or minus 0.5 ohm. Find net resistance when those are connected parallel with percentage error, maximum percentage error. Earlier we करियो maximum percentage error. ये बाबा with maximum percentage error. Okay? Good. Sim. आनी मत कौन? आनी ना पाए तमको दरकार. R तम दरकार फिर एक्सप्रेशन करियो R absolute value plus R absolute error. इंता R absolute value parallel है. इन पैरेलल एटा होता इन पैरेलल अच्छा r एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू केम जाना जाए पैरेलल रे तो जानिछो 1/r = 1/r1 + 1/r2 और जदि मु लिखबी r = r1 r2 डिवाइड बाय r1 + r एटा कहे दरकार पड़बे तो r मु लिख परबी r = 4 * 12 divide by 4 plus 12 that is 3 ohm so I can put it here 3 ohm plus or minus delta how to get delta is delta in पाइबा actually percentage error पछे तो delta r by r दरकार percentage error माने relative error को मल्टीप्लाई करके 100 so how to get relative error मु कहि छी that means del of r1 plus r2 r1 r2 parallel रे कोन r1 r2 by r1 plus r2 रो percentage error by r1 r2 by r1 plus r2 अरे r माने कोन r1 r2 by r1 plus r r माने r1 एते बडा देखा जाउ एक्चुअली किछ नै एमे ई कथा परसेंटेज एरर बा रिलेटिव एरर बाहर कला हम डिनोमिनेटर को तबा भी नहीं एटा कथा तो एटा द रिलेटिव एरर इज इक्वल एटा उठे ता से तेरा मल्टीप्लाई हिच ता तो हमें del r1 by r1 plus del r2 by r2 plus एटा एरर del r1 plus del r2 divide by r1 plus r2 into 100 चेक कर very simple r a relative error एटा ऊपर तम बेस करियो कारण फार्मूला इज r1 r2 by r1 plus r2 तो सिंपल r1 into r2 into r1 plus r2 to power -1 जदि मु एडो फाइन नेबी r a relative error दरकार फाइन तो r a relative error दरकार चला फाइन तुम कौन करियो एटा कते चिंता करियो ना एटा कते प्रोडक्ट अछि जा so that is nothing but del r1 by r1 now to repeat कुछ del r2 by r2 like बुझो प्लस करी कारण -1 दिले भी प्लस करी del of r1 plus r2 is not del r1 plus del r2 by r1 plus r सब जगह मते 100 रे मल्टीप्लाई करियो पड़ियो परसेंटेज एरर तो ये मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100 हला देखा कथा so এটা মু লিখে পারি so that is coming your delta r1 मन पको 0.5 r1 is 4 0.5 देछि r2 is 12 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 16 whole into 100 that is coming 50 by 4 plus 50 by 12 plus 1 by 16 means 100 by 16 so approximately देखिबो 22.92% इंटीग्रल राशि तो लिखिया स्टाइल केम थबो therefore r net is r is 3 ohm 3 plus or minus 22.92% इतने ohms मिले चेक करिए आंसर आराम से r1 r2 by r1 plus r2 देखना नहीं एरर नहीं दिया एरर तो देखो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट सिर्फ श्योर ओके आज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट अने पिला नो भी कहि दउ छी मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट कांसेप्ट दैट इज लिस्ट काउंट एरर बहुत समय क्वेश्चन पचार छी लिस्ट काउंट एरर फर्स्ट कम व्हाट इज लिस्ट काउंट देखो मेडिकल पई गोटे पैटर्न बनी गलानी मु कहू छी बारंबार इंस्ट्रूमेंटल एरर ऊपर इंस्ट्रूमेंटल एनालिसिस आउट के आगे अछि आज हम डिस्कशन करिया लिस्ट काउंट सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड along with number of oscillation with time period of simple point how they are related very important both are repeat kari question pachar je teno try to understand list count gote instrument measure kari pariyo up to some accuracy that accuracy is called your list count particular gote accuracy पर gote level पर से measurement kari pariyo that कम measure kari pariyo so that is the design of the instrument it depends totally on the design of the instrument और हमें कहबा the minimum measurement that can be taken by an instrument is called your list count. Theory definition statement टिके लिए दरकार तो क्या दरकार minimum measurement up to which तो the 13th आराम से कर दी पड़े list count. Okay. Assess. ठीक है what is that? Now the thing is minimum measurement that can be taken by an instrument. What does it mean? For example, you take a meter scale, 1 meter scale. Meter scale actually 1 to 0 to start है 100 centimeter means 1 meter per जांची. Each it has 1 centimeter. 0 to 1 centimeter भितर किसी division है 10 का division. So each division is again 1 by 10 centimeter. अच्छा ये मीटर स्केल हमें सबुठु कम से कम सबुठु कम हमें केते नहीं परिया 1 by 10 centimeter ही नहीं परिया ताटु 1 by 100 centimeter हमें मेजरमेंट करि परिया नहीं. This is the accuracy of this instrument. That is called list count. So list count of measurement in this scale is 1 by 10 centimeter or 1 millimeter. Very simple. Screw gauge. Screw gauge देखियो, we can go up to 1 by 100 millimeter पर्यंत जाई परिबा. That is 0.01 millimeter. Circular division अछि, divide करिबा. That we will discuss in error that is instrumental analysis. That. Similarly, vernier caliper if your list count asibo 1 by 10 of millimeter means 0.1 millimeter पर्यंत हम measurement करिबा. So vernier caliper is जहां measurement करिबा. For example, thickness of a hair cannot be determined by this hair type thick. We cannot measure by this instrument, but that can be measured by the help of screw gauge, by the help of maybe vernier caliper because the accuracy is more. So which is more accurate? Screw gauge is more accurate. Getting my point? Means the minimum measurement is 0.01. Here the minimum measurement is 1 millimeter. Here the minimum measurement is 0.1 millimeter. अच्छा टाइम पे हमें सिंपल नहीं पड़ेगा. मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइम. टाइम लो जितना मेजरमेंट करू से लिस्ट काउंट ऑफ a clock having second hand जो clock रहती means wall clock. Second means हमें measurement कर पे up to accuracy 1 second only. तार to कम second 1 by 10 second कभी भी measure कर पे नहीं. Simple 1 कुछ पर चुना नहीं. So list count is 1 second. But list count of stopwatch that depends the design of stopwatch 1 by 10 second पर्यंत करी परिया. Sometimes 1 by 100 second पर्यंत एमती कर भी stopwatch करते ही परिया. So this is what your list count. So list count जान ले हमें at least गोटे error जान करिए. For example मेरे वाले finding relative question देखिए. Find relative error of velocity that is equal to 2.8 meter per second. तो relative error आने पे हमको error दरकार हम करिए कौन? What to do? So velocity now can be written as 2.8. That may be experimental value plus or minus up to list count we can go and list count is 0.1 because we can measure up to decimal 1 place. तो तार corresponding minimum measurement केते ही परियो 0.1 हमें नहीं परियो. जितने बड़े तुमको plus or minus absolute error देनी जितने बड़े तुम्हें list count नहीं परियो. This is the list. Therefore relative error delta v by v is equal to 0.1 divided by 2.8. Accordingly also you can calculate percentage error. Any doubt? Yes. That you can do. तमो example नहीं परिवी. For example find percentage error in average velocity. V is equal to V average is equal to V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. वो formula already दे दी. ये average velocity of percentage error कहते हैं. If V1 is equal to 1.2 meter per second, V2 is equal to 2.4 meter per second. So हम लिखे केमती परसेंटेज एरर सॉल्यूशन करो चेक करो हमको रिलेटिव एरर दरकार दिस मींस dv average और del v average by v average तमे ए फार्मूला रो ही देखियो ए फार्मूला रे टू कांस्टेंट that won't come बारंबार कोई से रिलेटिव एरर रे 2 आसीबे नि कारण 2 पुनी 2 कैंसिल हे जो सो v1 v2 and v1 plus v2 to power minus 1 एगुडा तो रिलेटिव एरर दरकार this are a relative error दरकार isn't it तो मु एते लिखुछ this लेके और गोटे मेथड तो लेखिल तम लागू तो बेसी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो न लिखि डायरेक्ट मु देखबी कर करबी लाइक टू दरकार पड़िबनी v1 और del v1 by v1 v2 और del v2 by v2 plus v1 plus v2 और del v1 plus del v2 टोटल एरर by v1 plus v2 ओके अच्छा हमु नॉर्मल एरर दबा कथा एरर देनी तो हमें कोन नबा लिस्ट काउंट और वो 0.1 लिस्ट काउंट 0.1 by 1.2 0.1 by 2.4 plus 0.1 0.1 0.2 divided by that is 6 3.6 this is the relative error and you can calculate it and check simple hello hello ना ठीक अछि हमें प्रोसीड करिया लिस्ट काउंट रो इंपोर्टेंस जानिले now we can proceed for next so next important is finding error in time period of simple pendulum. We know that simple pendulum P is equal to time period 2 by root over L by G. It depends on length and acceleration due to gravity. So this is one formula. But if n oscillations reads time t, then definitely t is equal to n into time period. If n oscillation is time t, then t is equal to n t na each time period t n oscillation, so total time is t. Therefore, when we do require del t by t relative error in total time period is equal to what we will do n multiplied with delta t by t. No, n will not be there. Because it is a constant अरे constant multiply ହେଇଛି ତେଣୁ n is a constant relative error ଆସିବନି delta t by t is equal to del nt by t so n getting cancelled so delta t by t very important so relative error but what is the time period so time period is only delta t when you do require as t is equal to this much delta t capital T is equal to t by n so delta t is equal to delta t by n. Yes, it is the total error. Total error depends on number of oscillations, but relative error does not depend on number of oscillations. Very simple one. This is the total error, net absolute error. Error depends on n, but relative error of time period, relative error does not depend on n. दीटा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट सेति पय मु कहि तेनो साधारणतः लिस्ट काउंट देथिबो बतन देखो लिस्ट काउंट रो काम when list count is given that is del t is given or del t is given what is given list count of stopwatch which measures time period of simple pendulum. List count of stopwatch measures delta t or delta t. So this is the maximum. This is the list count, not this one. This is not the list count. Okay, very important. Delta t is equal to list count. तो तीन टा जिनस तम रखियो delta t कोन t कोन relative error and total absolute error. तुमको एग्जाम्पल कही Then related to that, we can solve this question. 20 oscillation of a pendulum records 60 seconds. If least count of the stopwatch is 0.1 second, least count of stopwatch 0.1 second, error in time period. Stopwatch the least count means maximum possible error. Total time period error or time period error. Total net time error. पूरा 20 oscillation error ना गोटे time period error. Yes. Delta t is equal to 0.1 second. बहुत पिला करेंगे. That is wrong. Actually, net time wrong. This is what net time. That means 20 oscillation jetik 60 second la setik error is 0.1. So it is least count. What's error? Maximum possible least count. So हमको आने वाला है delta t. केम जाने वाला? S simple t is equal to 0. T is equal to t by n. Net time by number of oscillation. Therefore, delta t by n is 0.1 by n is number of oscillation 20. So that is coming 0.005. This is the error. Which option? C is correct. Okay? Question एमती भी देख पारे. Find Find relative error. Find relative error in time period. Relative error in time period. A. Choice. Let us suppose 0.1 by 60, 0.1 by 3, 0.1 divided by 20. No, choice. Let us know. No. Go on. Yes. Relative error. देखो question change line है. Total time error. it a relative error means delta t by t के process. आइए करते. Relative error. Okay. The error in time period नहीं the relative error. ठीक है करना. अब जैसे time period is equal to t by n. So relative error in time is equal to कौन होगा 1 by n delta t by t होगा suicidal default अपनी 1 by n is a constant relative rate आसीवनी that it is delta t by t कोई गलत नहीं delta t by t is equal to delta t by t because delta t actually बाहर पूछो तो एक रिपीट करिया कथा नहीं. Still, for your convenience, this is nothing but t by n. So n am getting cancelled. That is delta t. So relative time period does not depend on the number of oscillation, but time period depends on number of oscillation. So delta t is stopwatch the least count is 0.1 by t is 60. So 0.1 by 60. Answer is HS. Okay. बहुत सुंदर क्वेश्चन. Time period is given. Length of string and error in string. Error in length. Number of oscillation found to be net time taken. And least count means error in net time taken. Least count means error in net time taken given. So we have to find that is delta g. Delta g माने that is error in g. अनिया केमती बोला चिंता करो. हम टाइम पीरियड जोड़ा 2 pi root over L by g. आराम से तो t रो स्क्वायर जदी करिवा 4 पाई स्क्वायर l बाय g हम g रो एक्सप्रेशन दरकार 4 पाई स्क्वायर इनटू l t माइनस 2 इनको देबो हमको g रो परसेंटेज रे एक्यूरेसी परसेंटेज रे दरकार ता तो रिलेटिव एरर आडी 100 रे मल्टीप्लाई करले परसेंटेज एरर आसबो सो रिलेटिव एरर जतबे आडिया 4 by square 4 pi square will come into sight or not? No, because it is a constant. So simply dimensional analysis रे जल्दी कोड चेहरा 2 into delta t by t maximum possible error बारंबार इट करछे error analysis 1 2 रे so delta g by this much so this is delta l is this is 1 millimeter means 0.1 centimeter divided by 20 plus 2 into delta t अच्छा delta t time period अर्थ एटा दे this is given what error in this is given error in net time taken but here required relative error in time period but we know that time period is time by n repeat automatically so delta t by t again 1 by n पर depend करेंगे delta t by t what is t t net अरे देखो so delta t by t is equal to delta t net by t net आराम से आएगा 0.1 by 20 plus 2 into this delta t net is the least count this is least count is equal to delta t net so that 0.1 second by t net is 90 second it is not time period 90 second by 90 अंदर तापरे percentage करियो so when you require percentage delta g by g into 100 required so you just multiply with 100 so 100 by 20 0.5 it is coming 0.5 plus 200 by 90 is 2.22 yes so it is coming 2.72 percent 2.72 means the closest approach is 3%, approximately 3%. Okay? Very, very interesting. This question has been asked already in JEE Main 2015. Important. Very, very important. से समझ में लाने कोई पता नहीं. Confusion है actually. Delta T by T. आराम से delta T by T हम आगे concept जानेंगे. Put कर. Another important question again. Simple pendulum, exactly 1 meter length. That means there is no error in length. Stopwatch, least count 1 second. 40 second. It records 40 second in 20 oscillation. This is time period or net time taken? Net time taken. So we do require which option? It is a multi-option. This question was from IIT JEE. Dariwar Naik 2010 ro question. IIT 2010. देखो सुंदर क्वेश्चन दे हमको ऑप्शन चूज करिया पड़ियो डेल्टा टी केते परसेंटेज इन जी डेल्टा टी आनियो केमदी एटा तो देच जो टाइम नेट टाइम टेकन हमें जानि छे t is equal to net time taken divided by number of oscillation no doubt so delta t is equal to delta t net by number of oscillation total error alla eno importance अछि and delta t net is always least count by number of oscillation least count is 1 by number of oscillation 20 so it is 0.05 second hence choice is a choice is correct next अपन नहीं करेंगे ठीक है सो ये ऑप्शन हला परसेंटेज error in g h t is 2 pi root over l by g बारंबार को आला therefore g is equal to 4 pi square l t minus 2 अमुत परसेंटेज error आडिगा delta g by g into 100 that is equal to 4 pi square importance नहीं relative error हो किंबा percentage error हो So we'll take only delta L by L plus 2 into delta T by T. बेले बेले माइनस नियंती एक्चुअल एरर पाई किंतु हमें एरर देइछि मैक्सिमम एरर हमें नबा प्लस नबा. It is delta L into 100. It is length is exactly 1 meter. So here 0, no error. 2 into delta T by T, again time period or relative error is equal to net time taken or relative error. एति कला पर ही क्लैरिटी आसी मु डायरेक्ट एट भी पुट करथा लेकिन मते डेल्टा टी जणा नै कि मु डेल्टा टी जानछि लिस्ट काउंट देयरफॉर डेल परसेंटेज g is equal to 2 into delta t net. Delta t net is 1 second by t net delta t net job 1 by t net is equal to given how much 40 second 1 by 40 into 100 0 getting cancelled 20 by 4 5%. So 5% C of C is that. This is C. सुंदर अप्रोच जीव डेल्टा टी आला बेलू एन रो इंपोर्टेंस अछि किंतु रिलेटिव एरर आसला बेलू इटे एन रो इंपोर्टेंस नाही. ओके अगेन एन इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. देखो क्वेश्चन बहुत बड़ा लागुची वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. एटा पड़छि IIT JEE 2008 रो क्वेश्चन. डाटा गुडाई जाइछि कोन लागुची डिफिकल्ट पिलाने देखले निश्चय क्वेश्चन छाडी देबे एग्जाम हॉल रे समय बेसी नष्ट हो बोली देखियो टिके माइन्यूटली देखियो आराम से कर देबे. पढ़ी जा लेट अस स्टार्ट. हम दरकार परसेंटेज एरर इन g. we know that time period is 2 pi square root of L by g. ठीक अछि. so squaring both side t square is equal to 4 pi square L by g. Therefore g is equal to 4 pi square L t minus 2. हला ना देखो clearly. So we do require percentage error. Percentage error means relative error multiplied with 100. So let us first calculate relative error. In relative error, as being it is a constant, our importance nahi. Therefore, simply I am proposing the dimensional analysis error. Delta g by g is equal to delta L by L minus 2 into delta t by t. We do require error means by default maximum possible error. Okay. So this is delta L. Here we have to compare which one is greater. You can multiply with 100 both sides. That is the lateral part. First you compare 1, 2, 3. Really, you see delta L is same for all. It is 0.1 by L plus 2 into 0.1 second is time taken by time period. It is not the time period. It is actually net time taken because it is. We can go for the next step. Delta L by L plus 2 into delta t. देइनी देखो इटा जोटा देइजे लिस्ट काउंट. This is the list count of total that is time taken. So it is delta t net by t net. कोई जागो अब प्रॉब्लम करछे delta t by t is equal to delta t net by t net because this is always list count. So delta t the list count होगा तार denominator है net t बारंबार रिपीट करूँ. So हमें तो जिबा कंपेयर करिबा delta L is 0.1 for all L plus 2 delta t net is equal to 0.1 divided by t net into 100. देखियो कंपेयर करले 1 रे तो रहला 68 t net is 128 और सबुडा 2 and 3 रे तारो कम वैल्यू रही तो एटा सबुटो मिनिमम एरर आसे. This is the minimum of all the options. So U1 reading is the minimum. Where is yes the suitable choice is B. Okay, see clearly and find the solution. Okay.